Well, I may not be able to recollect everything that she said, but what I got um, was the allegation that I had prior knowledge of the verdict in the court, and that I was inviting journalists and so on to come there, and that meant that I had influenced the court to maybe give me the judgment, give the judgment in our favor. And I think that that is a very unfortunate statement on her part. I remember on the Wednesday, a journalist of the Metro TV called me and wanted to grant me an interview on Friday. And then I talked with him and said, well, we have the court judgment on Monday. So I would have preferred that he comes to the court, and after that, then he can grant me the interview. He is the only one I talked to about the court. Besides that, if I didn't have a case, I won't go to court. I knew that we had the case. We had gone through the right procedure. We tried, first of all, to correct Janet. She wouldn't listen. We went to Dr. Edward Mahama, who she's working under at Mahama's clinic. And Dr. Mahama refused to intervene. He said he had washed off his hands from the party and therefore would not be able to talk to Janet. So we had to appeal or write a petition to the disciplinary committee, and you look at it, that all the national executives signed that petition except Janet and her two deputies. The rest of us all signed the petition to the disciplinary committee. The disciplinary committee invited her, and she said she will not appear there. She insulted them. In fact, she insulted them. And the disciplinary committee went further and then recommended that she should be suspended because nobody is above the party. We went ahead, we called a next meeting, and it was a unanimous decision to suspend her. Then we suspended you. You went to Kumasi and got some few regional chairmen and secretaries to come around you. And you sat there without going through the procedure prescribed by the Constitution. You announced that you had sacked the leader and sacked the chairman. And everybody knows that even if there is a case against the national chairman, and then he is taken to the right procedure and suspended, it is the vice chairman that takes over. You don't go and appoint a regional chairman to come and act as a national chairman and national leader when you have a vice chairman that was elected at National Congress. This is common knowledge. It is not for anybody to say that this is right or wrong, but you know why we should go to National Congress and then we elect vice. But that's what they did.
So now, it culminated in the decision of the court yesterday. Janet Nabila said to me that it is all right, the court has granted for you, but she doesn't respect, she says she would appeal, and that is a judge that has decided that you should continue to do what you're doing, but she believes that the party is on her side. You have won in the courts. Are you sure you would win at party's Congress? Does the party support you in this campaign of yours?
I wish the party, the rank and file, had an opportunity to speak through your station, and you would have known the relief, the joy that people are expressing. Everybody was tired. Everybody in the party was tired of this lady hijacking the party and behaving as if the party is her property. How can you? She had sacked every national executive that was elected at the Congress. How can an individual get up and sack all. And then she had their own vice national chairman. She had her own youth organizer. She had her own women's organizer. She had her own executive, and she was operating a parallel administration. And so everybody was tensed up. But I kept on telling them they should stay put because we are going to rely on the court. That's the right thing. I didn't want a situation where we go and we have violent confrontation. That's wrong. Unfortunately, the court has ruled.
Very well.
And in fact, everybody I have had, I can't even receive all the calls from all the regions. People are very happy.
Very well.
And I think that it is a clear sign that they are expressing their confidence in my leadership.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, and wish you all the best. That's David Apasera. Congratulations.
I'm most grateful.
He
Thank
was
you.
the 2020 flag bearer of the PNC. PNC